Hey feds, I get questions like this all the time. Here's today's question. This person isn't ready to retire yet for 2 more years. Great. The question is, should I discontinue FEGLI Part C now or later? And here's a really, really important part of our workshops. We don't want anyone to go make material changes after they've heard our webinar. And that's really important because what we hear sometimes in our workshops, we talk about FEGLI Part C and how there could be, depending on a few things, a refund for some people. And so, or we talk about FEGLI and the cost of it, and we talk about the pros and the cons. And some people, or we talk about TSP and some pros and cons of what you can do while you're an employee, where to put your money, et cetera, et cetera. Some people just jump out and go and do it. Don't. I know this is a workshop to help you maximize your retirement benefits, but I don't want you to do that until you have a plan. Too many people might, hopefully not, because we try to say this, but hopefully won't just hear what we say and then go make changes, because way too often the changes that they make will actually be the wrong ones for them and they just don't know it. They think, oh, this is bad, so I'm gonna go do this. And they do it the wrong way, or they just do it and the timing isn't right. So really, should this person do FEGLI Part C now? Should they drop it now? It depends. It depends on so many things. We'd have to figure out who you are and what your situation is. Maybe, maybe not. But the big thing that I want to say here is don't go jump in and make any changes until you have a plan. When you have a plan, then you can make all the changes that you want. That's great because you know what you're doing. You know what direction you're going. If you're flying a plane and you think, oh, I'm going the wrong way, I'm going to make a change. Well, where to? You have to know the coordinates of where you're going to go or where you want to go to make those changes. And if you don't have that, just making a change doesn't make sense, does it? So don't go just make changes. Make changes with a purpose.